In today's video, I'm going to teach you to open a Roth IRA on Fidelity. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what information to have ready, and how to make your first contribution so your retirement savings can start working for you. First, head to the Fidelity website. On the homepage, look for the option that says Open a Roth IRA and select it. This takes you straight to the Roth IRA application workflow, which is designed to be quick and beginner-friendly. Next, log into your existing Fidelity account or create a new profile if you're brand new. If you're setting up a profile for the first time, just follow the prompts on screen. Keep your basic information nearby so you can complete this part smoothly. Then, fill out the Roth IRA application with your personal details. You'll be asked for things like your full legal name, current address, date of birth, social security number, and employment information. Financial institutions request this to verify your identity and to meet regulatory requirements. Take a moment to double check spelling and numbers before you continue. Accuracy here helps prevent delays. If the site asks a few identity verification questions, that's normal and part of keeping your account secure. After that, link your bank account so you can fund your IRA. You can usually connect instantly by signing in to your bank through Fidelity's secure portal, or you can enter your routing and account numbers. If you choose manual verification, you might see small test deposits before you can transfer, which is also normal. Decide how much you want to contribute now, and remember you can set up automatic contributions later to stay consistent. You're always in control of the amount and schedule. Once your account is set up, you can start choosing your investments. A Roth IRA is just the account. You'll still pick what goes inside it. You can keep it simple with a broadly diversified index fund. Consider a target date fund that automatically adjusts over time, or build a mix based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. If you're unsure, take your time, review fees and objectives, and make selections that fit your comfort level and long-term goals. You can always adjust your investments as your needs evolve. There's no cost to open a Roth IRA at Fidelity, no annual account fees, and the entire process typically takes just a few minutes. And that's it, your Roth IRA will be ready to use. With the account open, linked, and funded, you're set to start building tax advantage savings for the future.